Struggling with dry skin? Been there, done that. But then I discovered the ultimate solution. MFine Derma Essentials, dermatologist approved and personalized just for me. Took the skin test, got my personalized kit, and voila, my dry skin's new best friend. The skin test is super easy, and once that is done, they will send you products according to your skin type and concern. You can consult a dermatologist on the website for free. And here is my kit. It's for dry skin. The Gentle Milk Cleanser is one of the best cleansers I have used. The texture is very creamy and cleanses my skin so well. Nighttime is all about the 2% kojic acid plus 2% glutathione serum. Pigmentation fading away. Of course, can't live without the ceramide plus 8% vitamin C moisturizer. It makes my skin so dewy and hydrated instantly. Cannot forget the sunscreen lotion SPF 50 PA+++. No white cast, just glowy protection. Do you see that? My skin's transformed, and these products, total game changers. Don't just take my word for it. Go get yours now.